your screen,
Okay.
open the activity guide, go through the topics in activity guide and walk me through. Over to you, Sai.
Okay, Rahul. This is my activity guide. Today I'm explaining about managing journals. The create journal groups and open the period. Open the periods. Click on Constellation journals card on the home screen. Click on action on the create the groups. Go to the application. Click on journal card. Click on access menu. Click on groups. Create the groups. Click on create. Go to the activity guide. Give the name as the blue sheet on the description blue sheet journals. Go to the activity guide. Sheet. Description of the blue sheet journals. Blue sheet journals. Click and save. The group will be created. Next, go to the activity guide. Similarly, created another group with the name and with the name yellow sheet and the description of yellow sheet journals. Go to the application. Click and create. Name is the yellow sheet. Description of the yellow sheet. Yellow sheet journals. Can save. Go to the activity guide. Click on home page home icon. Click the manage page card under the application cluster. Verify the scenario. The scenario as the actual year as the FY20. Click on actions icon and open the FI February February month. Go to the application. First, you need to close the journal groups. Click on home icon. Select the application cluster under the manage page card. So click on manage the code. Select the scenario the actual free the FY20. Uh, open the February month. Already open the February month. Go to the activity guide. The create journal from templates. From the home page, click on journals and create the template tab. Go to the application. Click on home page. Click in journal card. Select the general template tab. Create a general tab. Go to the activity guide. Label is the general for expenses. General for expenses. General for expenses. Description. General template for revenue and expenses account. General template for revenue and expenses account. Go to the activity guide. Open the application. General template. General template. General template for revenue and expenses account. Revenue and expenses account. Expenses account. Go to the activity gate. General type is the regular. General type is the regular. Data source is the general input. Go to the activity gate. The template type is the standard. The template standard is the standard. Click and create. Click and create. Go to the activity gate. Click and create. The create journal entity. To create a journal entity, click and create. The gear icon, pick the members for the dimensions. Go to the activity, go to the application, click on gear icon, pick the members, pick the dimension members. Entity is the entity total, expand the total, expand the segments, expand the en0, select the en0 underscore 7. Next, select the account number. To the activity gear, 7,000. Account is the 7,000. Intercompany is the no intercompany. Movement is the no movement. Multi gap is the local gap. Product is the no product. To the select the account number. Intercompany. Select no intercompany member. Movement dimension. Select the no movement dimension. No movement member. Select the multi gap. Select the local gap member. Product. No product. Click on OK. The general entity member will be created. Go to the activity gate. The click and create the another row in the journals. Click and create the another row numbers. Go to the activity gate. Change the account dimension number to 7,012. 7,012. Go to the account number. Click and edit the row with the numbers. Select the account. 7,012. Switch the number. Select this. Click on OK. The another row will be created. Go to the activity guide. Click and save on the template. Click and save on the and close the template. Go to the activity guide. Click on the manage journals tab and make sure that it has the following PO selected. Scenario the actual here is the FY20, here is the John. The click and create from template. Go to the application. Select the manage template tab. Set the POV scenario the actual here is the FY20, period is the John. Click and create from template. Click and create. Select the general for expenses template. Apply the template. Click on apply. Go to the activity guide. Can apply. Then entering the following information. The yellow sheet group is the yellow sheet. Debit value is the 2,707. Aggregate is the 2,707. Go to the application. Group is the yellow sheet. Group is the yellow sheet. Credit is the 2,707. Debit is the 2,707. Go to the activity gate. Click and save and close the template. Manage template. Click and save. Close the template. Go to the activity gate. Creating and running the journal reports. Click on reports on the home page. Click on the journal report tab and click on create. Go to the application. Go to the application. Click on home page. Select the reports part. Select the you can see the bottom of the page. Bottom of the page, select the journal reports tab here. Click on journal report tabs. Click on create journals. To first to set the POV. Go to the activity gate. Because the correct POV, select the yellow sheet group. So, scenario the actual FY20, here is FY20 P to the John entity. Go to the activity gate. Select the yellow sheet under the group. So click on the run the report. Go to the application. Select the group yellow sheet. Click and run the report. The report will be run automatically. Download your local browser. You can open the browser. This is the journal report. Go to the activity gate. Running consolidation. Next topic is running consolidation. Entering in, exchange rates. Entering exchange rates. Go to the home page. Click on the data card and select the exchange rate under score single page form. Click on the application. Click on the home page. Click on the home icon. Select the data card. Go to the activity gate. Enter exchange rate or single paid. Enter exchange rate single paid form. Select the form. Click on open the form. Go to the activity gate. Period the John. Make sure the polling POV selected from the period John. Here is the FY20 scenario is the actual. Go to the application. Period the John. Period the John. Here is the FY20 scenario is the actual. Go to the activity gate. Now enter the following information from the form. Enter the USD currency exchange rates. USD is the 1. UAD 1.30. 1.30. Ending exchange rate also same. Go to the activity gate. AU 0.84. AUR euros. Select the euros. 0.84. 0.84. 72.7, 72.62. Like the Indian currency. 2.6. Or to the activity gate. AUD 0.77. 0.77. 0.77. Go to the activity gate. 1. 0.16. 0.65, 0.65. Go to the activity guide. 55.1589. 50.89. Go to the activity guide. Here 1.19. Go to the application. And 1.90. Ending exchange rate input is 7.90. Go to the activity guide. 1.55. 1.55. Ending rate also same. 1.55. Go to the activity guide. 1. 1. 1. Go to the activity guide. INR 0.0014. 0.0014. Go to the activity guide. AUD value 0.0081. 0.0081. Ending is the same. Go to the activity guide. You are equal to 0.012. Go to the activity guide and click and save the close the form. Click and save. Go to the activity guide. So entering a ownership as percentage and the recomputing the ownership. Click on the overview, our record on the application cluster on the home page, and then go to the dimension tab. Click on entity. Expand the entity. The form will be saved successfully. The data has been saved successfully. Click on OK. Go to the home. Click on home icon. Select the our record and the application cluster. Go to the dimensions tab and select the entity. expand the CE entity. Go to the click on the application, select the wow record here, click on wow record, select the dimensions tab, select the dimensions tab, select the entity, click on open the entity tab, entity dimension, expand the total geography, expand the CE, go to the application, scroll on the right, scroll to the right and set the LE underscore 01, LE 0 underscore 02, LE underscore 03, intercompany entities to ICP entity. Click and click and save the click and save the click and close. Click and save and click and save, cancel the page. Go to the version. Go to the right side. Select the intercompany numbers. Click and save. Click and close the form. Click and close the form. The click on overview tab and click on the refresh the database actions. Now click on the create. Refresh database. Go to the application. Click on overview card. Click on actions menu. To refresh the database, refresh database option, click, select the refresh database, click and create. Click and create, click on refresh the database. Click and refresh. The database will be refreshed to the refresh. It's take 5 minutes. Uh, uh, click on run background. Click on the run background. Click on run background. Close this. Close this. Go to the activity guide. After closing the open the windows, click on the Consolidation tab. Uh, select the Consolidation tab here. Click on the Consolidation tab. Click on the Consolidation tab. Consolidation tab. Go to the activity guide. Open the next page. Make sure the POV is set to the entity total geography. Scenario is the actual. Here is the FI20. Period is the John. Go to the application. Entity is the total geography. Scenario is the actual. Here is the FI20. Period is the John. Out of the application. Now entering the following details: manage ownership phase. Then let's collapse this. Click and collapse all. Click and expand the total geography. Select the entity, Consolidation entity. Legal entity 01, legal entity 02, legal entity 03. These all are intercompanies entity members. Go to the activity guide. LE01 is the 100% holding company. LE02 is the 80% subsidiary. LE03 is the 60% subsidiary. To the set the subsidiary holding company 100%, 80% subsidiary. Go to the activity guide. Save changes and save the changes. The save status will be appeared. The ownership data change is started. Click on OK. Go to the activity kit. Actions menu. Click on Actions menu and click on Recompute the ownership. Go to the one application. Click on Actions menu. Select the ownership data. Recompute the ownership data. Select the POS and the actual year is the FY20. Period is the Chan. Click on Recompute data. Recompute ownership data. Go to the activity gate. Click on Recompute. On the Consolidation process tab. Now click on the Consolidation block. Go to the application. The recomputation successfully completed. Go to the Consolidation process tab here. Click on the Consolidation process tab. Select the Consolidation tab block. Go to the activity guide. Click on configurable consolidation. Click on configurable consolidation. Go to the activity guide. Select the rules, all the rule sets checkbox present on the uh, present, and then click on deploy. And then click on deploy. Go to the application. Select the all rules cards here. Click and deploy the rules. Click and deploy the rules. Deploy rules icon will be green. Click on then click close. Can the completed deploying the rule. Click on OK. Deploy the rules. Go to the application. Press running Consolidation. Click on data code. Click on data code on the home page. Expand the Consolidation form from the data form under the data form folder under the data entry form. Go to the application. Close this first. Close the Consolidation tab. Go to the home icon. Click the data card. Select the data forms under the Consolidation data form and data entry form. Select the data entry form. Go to the activity grid. Click on data source dimension on the form and select the data input member. And then click on go. Click on OK. Now click on the go arrow. Go to the application. Change the data source dimension member. Click on that. Select the data input. Click on OK. Go to the click on arrow mark arrow. Go to the arrow. First, you need to go to the valid and home page. Click on application. Select the valid and reductions. So go to the data card. Go to the activity guide. Then enter the following data in the form. The common stack 30,000, 20,000, 10,000. To the application 30,000, 20,000, 10,000. To the application 30,000, 20,000, 10,000. 2,000. 2,000, 10,000. To the activity code. Open, open. To the next page. Click on save. You can save the form. The data has been saved successfully. Click on OK. Go to the activity guide. And now change the period John to Pip. Click on the go icon. Change the period dimension number John to Pip. Click on OK. Click on the an icon. Arrow icon. Go to the application. 3,000, 10,000, 5,000. Application. 3,000, 10,000, 5,000, 1,000, and 10,000. 5,000. To the activity gate. Click and save. You can save the data form. The data has been saved successfully. Click on OK. Go to the activity gate. Now click on the actions drop down on the business rules. Business tools. The Consolidation business tool. Entity with total geography XL FI20 John. Go to the application. Go to the actions menu, drop down, select the business tools. Under the Consolidation tab, select the total geography. Okay. Total geography and actually scenario is actual. Scenario is actual. Here is FI20 and John. Show FI20. Click on the launch the business tool. Processing the business tool, Consolidation business rules. Go to the activity guide. You can launch the rule. The application Consolidation, the drop down, you select the recompute data. From the now open the Consolidation data from data card and select the John data source data. Feed is the John data source is the data so total data source. Click and go. Data out of the application. The Consolidation will be successfully consolidated the business tool. Next, go to the activity guide. Go to the home icon. Click on the application cluster on the Constellation card here. Click on the Constellation card. Select the Constellation or manage ownership. So click on the actions. Recompute the data. Click on Chown. Recompute the data. The recompute data is started. The recomputation is successful. Click on OK. Or to the activity guide. Data form. To the interview census. Stock. Assets. Channel. Or to the application. Select the home icon under data card. Select the data card. Data card. The Constellation data form. Data will be paid in the Constellation data form. Constellation data form. Go to the open the page. The common stock 30,000, 30,000, 30,000. Go to the activity gate. Go to the next page. The managing jobs, the managing jobs and migration and editing the data. Go to the create and the schedule the input data. First, you select the value from the application cluster. Click on actions, drop down and select the inbox and outbox explorer. Click and upload that file. Browse the input data.csv present the folder. Then click on the upload the file. Go to the application. Click on home icon. Select the application cluster. Click on our record here. Click on the actions menu here. Click on actions menu. Select the import export for explorer. Click on upload. Click the choose files. Go to the activity guide. Import data.csv. Select the file. Select the import data. Upload the file. The file uploaded completed successfully. Upload complete successfully. Go to the activity guide. Go to the file. Click on OK and close the Explorer. Click on Actions drop down and again select the import data. Click on Create. Select the location. Select the inbox in the source file column. Give the name as the import data import underscore data.csv. Let's close this window. The actions drop down. Yeah. Select the import. Click on Create. Select the inbox. Select the file name. Give the source file name. .csv. save as the job. Click on save as the job. Import data. Error data. Error data. For data and error data. Click and save the job. The job has been saved successfully. Can close. The import data will be saved in the import option. Import data. Click and close. Go to the activity gate. The click and save the job. Click on page. Enter the following details. Name is the input job year one. Can save. To the application. To the next page. Click on job tab. Click on job tab. Click on job. See the composition. Go to the job code. Schedule job. Go to the application. Go to the our card. Select the access menu. Select the input data. Click and create. Job code. Next one is the next. On the schedule phase, select the import data. Give the name. Give the name to the job. Enter the job name. Data input en05 for the en0 underscore 05. Recurrence pattern has been weekly on the day of weekly, monthly. So first go to the you can schedule the job. Import data. To the activity guide. Import data. Select the import data. The enter the job name as data input for import data for import data. Go to the activity guide. Import data input for data input. Import for en0 underscore 05. Go to the activity guide. 05. Select the request pattern weekly and day of the week as Monday. Go to the application. Request pattern. Select the weekly. Activity guide. Weekly and off week. Go to the application. Select the Monday. Go to the activity guide. Schedule starting the form. Enter the today's date. Enter the today date. 4. Click on OK. Go to the activity guide. Then click on the next. Application. Then click on the next. To the application cluster. Starting action. Go to the application. And 20. So click on OK. Click on next. The next page will be showing the application. Select the import job, import data. Click on next. Go to the application. TTY. Review the details. Click on finish. Click on finish. The job will be available in the job section. Go to the application. Review the data. The previous we selected. Click on finish after. Click on finish the job. I can see the job code and the job schedule here. Pending jobs. To the activity gate. Selecting the task and for editing. Click on the edit card and the tool cluster. Click on configure. Click on configure. Go to the application. Go to the home icon. Select the tools cluster under the edit card here. Select the edit card. Click on the edit card. Click on configure space. Data form approval. Data form approval. The clear cells details. Click on configure. Select data form approvals. Clear details. Select the metadata administrator security, your user administrator role, approval, journals, data. Click on apply the audit information. Click on apply. Next, exporting and deleting the audit data. Click on audit card and the tool cluster. Click on filters on the audit page. Enter the following details. Filter page. Task group all. Go to the exception. Go to the edit card. The filter. Go to the ticket. Group task. Task group is all. Task group is all. Task group is none. Next. Action is the all. Action option is the all. Today's date. End date is the today's date. Before select the start date will be March 25. Click and apply. Go to activity guide. Click and apply. You will be able to the audit data, the export. Now click on actions and the click on export. Export the data to the application. This is the audit information data. Click on actions menu. Click on export. Data will be directly exported to the your local flow, local browser. This is the audit data. Close the data. Go to the activity gate. Go to the application. Click on actions menu. Select the delete option. Uh, Select the group task group actions started ended. Click and delete the audit information. The exporting artifacts on the data to snapshot. Select the migration in the tool cluster. Go to the application. Go to the home page. Select the tools cluster under the migration tab card here. Select the migration card. Go to the application. You will see all the application components in the different categories. Select the all categories. Go to the application. This is the category different components of application categories. Select the categories: data recovery, core, data management, calculation manager, group and membership. Select the all members. Go to the activity guide. Then click on export. Then click on the export. Then give the export name as the application export, and then click on OK. Click on export. Name will be application export. Application export. Click on OK. The export will be started in the progress. Refresh the export process. Migration status report. Refresh. It's take time. 2 to 3 minutes. It take the export process. After the application, click on OK. The migration status report. Click on refresh. Progress. To the application. Click on refresh. Click on refresh. The activity gate. Once the export is completed, then the export snapshot will be available in the snapshot actions. To the click and refresh the export process. It's take time. 2 to 4 minutes. It's take time. the application. Next tool. Click on actions on the snapshot, download the snapshots. Mention. The application. Export is successfully completed. Go to the activity guide. Now, once export is completed, the export snapshot will be available in the snapshot actions. Go to the snapshots. Click on click on actions icon of your snapshot of your snapshot, and the click and download the save on the snapshot on the your machine, your local machine. Go to application. The application, the earlier the created application, export the application, export, click on actions, refresh the snapshots. Click on applications, download the snapshot. Download the snapshot, click on download. Automatically download into the your local machine. Out of the activity guide. Importing data from snapshot. Importing data from snapshot. Go to the application. Go to the home click on home icon. Select the application cluster. Select the wow record here. Select the wow. Click on wow record. Go to the application activity guide. On the overview page, click on actions and select the remove application. Click on actions menu. Remove the application. Click on S. It's take take 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the application process. After the application, remove the application. It's take time. This action will be deleted application, and all of these constraints, the actions cannot be undone. It's recommended that your backup application first continue the delete the application. After login, once again the application, enter the credentials. Click on the migrate the application. Click on the snapshots tab. Click on actions and click on import the import. Once you click the import, snapshot process will be begin. That it take around 10 minutes to complete the process. Once import finish, just sign out and sign in the application. The application. Log into the credentials. Click and go. The start create new application or migrate the application. Go to the application. The now click on the migrate. Click on the migrate. Go to the application. Go to the snapshot tab. Go to the snapshot tab. To application. The click on actions import the click on actions and the click and import the data. To the application. Actions. Import the data. Click on OK. Thus, the backup will be started. The application. Once the import finishes, the sign out the application and sign in the again. Once you import, once you click on the import, the snapshot import process will be begin. It's take 10 minutes to complete the application process. Import, click on import, click on OK. Progress. This take 10 minutes. Take 10 minutes. In the process to complete the process. And refresh. That's it, Ravali. Hello.
Okay,
Hello,
thank
Ravali.
you, Sai. Hello.
Ah, Ravali.
Yeah, thank you,